people, how are you all doing today? My lovely people, my wonderful people, I love you all. How are you all doing? I am always sure that you are good, because if God be for you and me, who can be against us? Tell me, who can be against us? Nobody, because we are coming out strong daily to the glory of the Lord. You all are welcome to this channel. Today, without wasting much of your time, we are talking about this parsley. You are welcome. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe, press the notification bell so that you will be the first to know when I upload. In this channel, I do everything that is good for your eyes, for your ear, and for your mouth. I do everything good to the glory of the Lord. You are welcome today. So this parsley is what we're going to be talking about, which is this. So if you want to lose that weight, you want to flush that weight away in less than no time, parsley is so good for you. Parsley and melt tea with melt leaf. If you don't know what is melt leaf, this is melt leaf with parsley together. Is so good for your health. Parsley has vitamin K, vitamin C. You know what vitamin C can do in your body. You know what vitamin K can do to you. You know what vitamin C, especially vitamin C, can do for you. You are welcome. If you have diabetes, parsley can help you to bring that sugar down. If you have bloating in your tummy is so big, it's getting big and big and big and big every day. Bloating, maybe when you hit it, it's like you have a hair inside, like maybe you have pumped your tummy. It will help you to lose that tummy, because it's not normal. When you blow it, that means hair is inside of it. When you have swollen leg, before you sit down in one place, your leg gets swell. Parsley can help you to do that. Parsley can beautify you because it has vitamin C inside of it. Parsley has a lot of benefits. Without wasting much of your time, let's be doing the video. I'll be telling you the health benefits of parsley. So good. So beautiful parsley. This is parsley, guys. It has a lot of great benefits, as I said before. When you are having pains in your stomach, diarrhea, this parsley is so good. Especially weight loss is so good. It will beautify you. It will clear your heart. When you have cold, parsley is good for you. Parsley tea, parsley juice, parsley is so good. So the vitamin K of it is good for your body, is good for your hair, is good for your system. Everything is good for you. It will detoxify you, it will purify you. It has a lot of benefits that I cannot even name. What of mint leaf? This mint leaf that I'm washing right now, it has a lot of benefits. So I wash everything. Try to watch everything, because it's so good to watch everything, because you don't know where they kept it, you don't know how neat they kept it, both the lemon and all. Wash it. When you buy it the first time, just soak it, and just soak it with salt or with baking soda. Wash it properly. I add water to the blender. So I'm going to be blending it right now. So I'm going to put this mint leaf. Mint leaf, you can see it anywhere. Mint leaves is so good for you. It will lose that weight. Mint leaf will wash your heart, will wash your system, any problem in your body. Ginger and mint leaf, they will detoxify all. It's so good. Lemon is so good too. This combination is a bomb. Is so good. It's so good. This combination is so healthy, so mighty. Just try it and you will know what I'm talking about. If you want to use juicer, this juicer, you can use it, but today I decided to use blender, just to show you that if you don't have juicer, you can still do it the way I'm doing it right now. Okay, I just blend it. Look at the beautiful, look at the way it's beautiful. Just imagine this being in your system. You know what it's going to do for you. You know what it's going to do for you. Take care of yourself, take care of your health, It's so good because the Bible says all those natural things are for our health. We are ignoring those things. Don't ignore it. So now I'll finish blending it. I'm going to use this cloth to sip this juice. Okay, you have to have a neat cloth. Even though you have washed it before, you want to use it again, you raised it. So I put it inside my sip and a neat plate that I'm going to be sipping this juice out of it. Okay guys, you can buy a new cloth and be using it for specially juice or whatever you want to do that is juice. Okay, so it's so good guys, it's so good. You see why I put the sip? Because it messed up. So with the sip, it's not going to enter the down part. So guys, you just press it this way, press it, press it, press it, press it this way, press the juice out of it. Yes, press it out of it. Yes, when you take this, even your kids, your husband, you can give it to them. Okay, you can give it to them. The children is not going to love the taste very well. You can add on it to it. Okay, for them it's so good. You see the way this juice is beautiful. I'm feeling it already. I'm feeling this drink already. I pour it inside this jar. So what I'm going to be doing, I pour it inside a cup. Oh my god, so beautiful. I love this. I poured it inside a cup. So I'm going to be taking my lemon to design it the way I will be feeling it more. You just cut it at the center, place it there, press a little bit on it. This drink is so simple as ABCD. The other one, I'm going to be giving it to my husband. I'm going to pour it in the cup for my husband. So you see guys, oh my god, drink and enjoy yourself. I'll cover it when my husband is back. I give it to him. So carry your husband along whatever you are doing. God bless you. You have to like the taste. The taste is not bad. Just learn to love it. I'm almost done. Bye-bye. Keep on basking in the Lord all the time, always, every time. Keep on basking in the Lord. Bye-bye.